Saturday stages at the very first WRC Croatia are over, but not the tension nor the pressure. A blow for Pierre-Louis Loubet. On stage 14, the Frenchman seemed helpless as he tried to stop his fast-moving I-20 drifting into the scenery. The car was buried deep. It was the end of the road. Thierry Neuville had the afternoon stages to redeem himself after making a terrible tyre choice this morning. He sped to the fastest time in stage 13. Then he and Seb Ogier set identical fastest times in stage 15. In doing so, Thierry got so close to Elvin, the Belgian can almost see the Welshman's Toyota and his second place through the trees. The afternoon started badly for rally leader Seb Ogier as he continued his drive for an 8th career win on tarmac. 2 kilometres from the end of the stage, the Frenchman got a slow puncture. He lost time, but not his lead. The leaderboard at the end of Saturday shows that it's too close to call in Croatia. Behind the leaders, Oyt Tanak and Adrian Fourmeau on his debut